Yes, beta. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at your place. Welcome to the GK class. Beta, today we will do lesson 1 of unit 5. Today we will do lesson 1 of unit 5, page number 32. So open your book at page number 32, beta. Lesson 1, Unit 5, page number 32. Now, beta, look at the screen. Yes, beta. The name of the lesson is Indoor Games. What is the name of the lesson? Indoor Games. What do you mean by indoor games? बच्चे, those games which can be played inside the door. Those games are called indoor games. These games can be played at home or inside any roofed area. Roofed area का क्या मीनिंग है बेटा? छत के नीचे. ठीक है, इसको हम घर में भी खेल सकते हैं और किसी भी बिल्डिंग में छत के नीचे खेल सकते हैं. इनसाइड द डोर. क्लियर? Now beta, see this first image. What is this? This is chess. Which game is this? This is chess. Beta, chess is a board game for 2 players. इसमें 2 players खेल सकते हैं. It is played on a square board. जो इसका बोर्ड होता है वो बच्चे स्क्वायर शेप में होता है. ठीक है? And there are 64 smaller squares inside this area. ये जो छोटे छोटे आपको स्क्वायर्स नजर आ रहे हैं कि इनका नंबर क्या है बेटा? 64. क्लियर बेटा? And on the each side there are 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On each side there are 8 squares beta. And there are 16 pieces on each side. ये जो आपको बच्चे दिखाई दे रहे हैं, these are 16 in numbers. Clear? Chess is a board game for 2 players. It is played in a square board. And in this square board there are 64 smaller squares. And there are 8 squares on each side. And how many pieces are there on each side? 16. Clear beta? Which game is this? Chess. See, 2 boys are playing this chess. So there are 2 players in this game. Clear बच्चे? Next is jigsaw puzzle. Next is beta jigsaw puzzle. In jigsaw puzzle there are different pieces. ये देखो, ये pieces होते हैं बेटा different, which are odd in shape. And these pieces can be interlocked. इनको एक दूसरे में फंसा के हम प्रॉपर एक पिक्चर बना सकते हैं. क्लियर बेटा? In jigsaw puzzle there are different pieces which are having odd shapes. And we are to arrange and assemble these pieces. हम इन pieces को जोड़ जोड़ के एक complete picture बनाते हैं. This type of game improves our visual and spatial reasoning. Spatial reasoning means कि किस पीस को कहाँ फिट करना है, ये हमें पता चलता है। आप लोग ध्यान से पीसेस को देखते हो, ठीक है, और कैलकुलेट करते हो कि कौन सा पीस कहाँ पे लगेगा। सो दिस इंप्रूव्स आवर मेंटल स्पीड। क्लियर बेटा? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज snake and ladder. This indoor game is commonly used in every house. All children like this game. Snake and ladder is a board game with 100 squares. ये देखो यहाँ पे squares है 1 to 100. Clear? Snake and ladder is a board game with 100 squares. And it is full of tricks and traps. इसमें लैडर भी है, इसमें स्नेक भी है, ठीक है। एंड लैडर का क्या वर्क है? लैडर मेक यू टू गो अप। अगर आप इस नंबर पे आ जाते हो, इस पॉइंट पे आ जाते हो, तो आप लोग ऊपर चले जाते हो, ठीक है। लैडर मेक्स यू टू गो अप एंड स्नेक मेक्स यू टू गो डाउन। Clear beta? Whosoever reaches at 100 squares first, that is the winner. जो 100 स्क्वायर में पहले पहुंच जाता है वो विनर बन जाता है बेटा। क्लियर? It helps in understanding the concept of addition. इस गेम में हम क्या सीख सकते हैं? एडिशन। And this game can be played between 2 to 4 players. Clear beta? Maximum 4 players can play this game, and this can be played between 2 players also. Now next is bowling. Bowling is a target sport. इसमें आपके पास एक टारगेट होता है, ठीक है। In this game, a heavy ball is rolled towards object. एक heavy ball को आप फेंकते हो objects की तरफ. These objects are called pins. Clear? A heavy ball is rolled towards object and aim is to knock down the objects. इन pins को गिराना, ठीक है बेटा। In this game, a heavy ball is rolled toward pins, and aim is to knock down these pins. What is this game called? This is called bowling. Clear बच्चे? Next is Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers is a board game in the shape of a 6-pointed star. ये एक स्टार की फॉर्म में है जिसके 6 पॉइंट्स हैं। See, 1, 2, then 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. 2 to 6 players can play this game. Now beta, every player has 10 marbles resting in these holes, and the player who moves all his marbles to the opposite direction is the winner. जो अपने मार्बल्स को जहां भी अनऑक्यूपाइड एरिया है वहां पे कंप्लीटली ले जाता है, दैट प्लेयर इज द विनर बेटा। क्लियर बेटा? विच गेम इज दिस? दिस इज चाइनीज checker. It is in the shape of a 6-pointed stars and these are marbles. See. Clear? Now next is Monopoly. It is a classic fast dealing property trading board game. Beta, in this game, players buy, sell and trade to win. वो प्रॉपर्टी खरीद भी सकते हैं, सेल भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? And different types of cards are used in this game. This game is called Monopoly. What is this called, beta? Monopoly. Now next is Ludo. ये तो बच्चे सबको पता है, ठीक है? Ludo is a dice and race game. Maximum 4 people can play this game and people of all ages like this game. आजकल तो आप लोग मोबाइल पे भी इसको खेलते होंगे. People of all ages like this game, beta. Which game is this? Ludo. Now, beta, next is Scrabble. This game is Scrabble. Scrabble is a crossword game. Here it is one board and these are lettered tiles. हर टाइल के ऊपर बेटा 1-1 लेटर लिखा हुआ है, अल्फाबेट लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? And players are to form words using these lettered tiles. इन टाइल्स को यूज करके जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स फॉर्म करते हैं. क्लियर? Scrabble is a crossword game. There is one board and letter tiles and players are to form words using these tiles. Now beta, next is UNO. UNO is an American card game. In this, the deck consists of 4 colored cards: red, yellow, green and blue. And 2 to 10 players can play this game. UNO is an American card game, beta. And in this game, the deck consists of 4 colored cards. 2 to 10 players can play this game. Is it clear, beta? Now see, beta, this is the page of your book. Page number 32. This is the page of your book, beta. Yes. First, now write down. First game is chess. CHESS. This is chess. Second is jigsaw puzzle. Third is snake and ladder. Fourth is bowling. Then beta Chinese checkers. After that, next is business game Monopoly. Then Ludo, Scrabble, and UNO. You will complete this page in your book. And now beta see this. Did you know the game of chess originated in India? चेस गेम का ओरिजिन कहाँ हुआ था? ओरिजिन मीन्स कहाँ से शुरू हुई थी चेस गेम? इंडिया से. So origin country of chess is India. Is it clear beta? Yes beta. Now we have revised these 9 indoor games. What are these indoor games? First is chess. Second is jigsaw puzzle. Third is snake and ladder. Fourth is bowling. Fifth, Chinese checker. Sixth, Monopoly. Seventh, Ludo. Eighth, Scrabble. And ninth is UN. Clear beta? Now you will learn these indoor games and write down blanks in your question answer and blanks in your piano. That's all for today, bache. Have a nice